In this video, I'll show you how to download and install SceneWeaver on Windows. If you've never installed a program before, don't worry, I'll guide you through every step. First thing we need to do is open a browser and then look for the SceneWeaver website. Now once you're on the website, click on Download, and then from the download selections you'll see that it automatically recommends for your system. You just need to click the download link. Because SceneWeaver is a new application, your browser may display a warning like this. This is normal for new software that hasn't been downloaded by lots of people yet. If you click on the three dots and select Keep, it will then bring up a second warning. Again, it's the same thing. If you click on the downward button there and select Keep Anyway, it'll then finish the download. Once the download's finished, click Open File, and Windows may now display this message. This is another normal warning for new software. If you click More Info, you now see a Run Anyway button. Click Run Anyway to continue. You now have options. You can either install just for yourself. If you're the only user of this computer, then that's the recommended choice. If there are other people who want to use this software on the same computer, you'd click for Install for all users. But by default, I would select Install for only me. It will then show you the license information, which you can read if you wish, but then you'll need to click I accept the agreement to be able to click Next. And then click Next again. On this screen, you should click Create a Desktop Shortcut, so it's easier to find. Then click Next, and finally click Install. That's it. It's now finished installing. So if we click Finish, SceneWeaver is now going to open. And there we are, ready for you to start writing. And that's it. SceneWeaver is now installed. In the next video, we'll create your first project.